Hello and welcome to the Tyreman Unplugged, your ultimate guide to the latest in the tyre industry. I'm your host Kenny Lim, and as always, I'm thrilled to take you through this week's exciting updates and innovations. Episode 25 is packed with stories that showcase cutting-edge technology, industry milestones, and thrilling motorsport partnerships. So let's get straight into the details. The Pirelli R01 Proway series made its grand debut in Malaysia thanks to a collaborative effort by LT Tyre Group Sdn Bhd, Tyre and Promethean Tyre Group. Highlighted at a vibrant launch in Petaling Jaya, this series promises increased efficiency and durability for regional transport. Designed for industrial and commercial vehicles, the R01 Proway steer and drive models boast advanced track technology, offering up to 15% higher mileage and improved safety. What's more, these tyres are EV certified, aligning perfectly with the industry's move towards sustainability. Promethean's Euro 1.5 billion revenue milestone underscores its commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Nokian Tyres has reached a major milestone with the first tyre rolling out of its state-of-the-art factory in Romania. Slated for full-scale production in 2025, the factory sets a new benchmark as the world's first zero CO2 emission tyre manufacturing facility. Celebrating its 90-year winter tyre legacy, the factory's inaugural product, the Snowproof 2, reaffirms Nokian's commitment to safety and sustainability. Employing cutting-edge automation and CO2-free energy, this Euro 650 million investment aims to produce 6 million tyres annually, primarily serving the Central European market. The achievement represents a significant step towards Nokian's vision of reinventing tyres for a safer, greener future. Falken Tyre has extended its partnership with the iconic ADAC 24-hour Nürburgring race until 2028, solidifying its 25-year legacy at the event. Beyond sponsorship, Falken actively participates with its Porsche 911 GT3 R team and wows fans with the adrenaline-filled drift show. This collaboration offers Falken an unparalleled testing ground for its high-performance tyres in extreme conditions, further driving innovation. The renewed agreement showcases Falken's unwavering dedication to motorsport and its commitment to delivering cutting-edge tyre technology. Fans and racers alike can look forward to Falken's continued presence in the thrilling world of endurance racing. And that's a wrap for episode 25 of the Tyreman Unplugged. From pioneering tyre technology to celebrating milestones and motorsport triumphs, today's stories show how the industry is shaping the future of mobility. Don't forget to visit our website for more updates and follow us on social media to stay in the loop. I'm Kenny Lim signing off. Until next time, drive safe and thank you for watching.